Ayan yung sa'yo, Nika. So you are ready to go to school na. Padung ka sa eskwelahan. Ay mo ang schedule? Di ang schedule nimo sa eskwelahan. 1 to 6, di ba? Mamuhi mo alas 6 ngit-ngit na. Paon ra kasi mong lula o ikaw ra maglakaw? Ikaw ra maglakaw. Okay. So, first, I'm here to deliver your salset. You have bugas, can, and milk. And you also have a box of ramen and 2 sets of spam. And then 5 box of choco pie for you. Okay, hindi ha? And lastly, your 2,000 pesos allowance. Kaysa naghatag? So you have to practice the name of your sponsor ha. Okay, this is the name of your sponsor. It's Konjehanim. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, kamsahamnida. Okay, practice ha. Ipabasa na sa imong lola dayon timan ang kinsay naghatag ha sa imong sponsor. Konjehanim, kamsahamnida. Okay, bye-bye.